Hi all, welcome back to our channel. Today, we are going to talk about a common annoyance that many of us experience, throat pain and cough. Whether it's due to seasonal changes, allergies, or a pesky cold, we have got you covered with some effective natural remedies to soothe your throat and get rid of that annoying cough. Let's dive right in. Warm saltwater gargle is one of the oldest and most effective remedies for throat pain is a warm saltwater gargle. Simply mix half a teaspoon of salt in a cup of warm water, gargle for 15 to 20 seconds, and then spit it out. The salt helps reduce inflammation and soothes the irritated throat. Honey and lemon are a dynamic duo when it comes to relieving throat irritation and cough. Mix a tablespoon of honey and a squeeze of fresh lemon juice in warm water. Sip on this soothing concoction to ease your symptoms and boost your immune system. Herbal teas like chamomile, ginger, and peppermint have natural properties that can help alleviate throat discomfort and calm a persistent cough. Choose your favorite herbal tea, steep it in hot water, and enjoy the comforting relief. Steam inhalation is perfect for clearing congestion and relieving throat irritation. Boil water in a bowl, add a few drops of essential oil like eucalyptus or tea tree, cover your head with a towel, and inhale the steam for 5 to 10 minutes. It's a great way to open up your airways and soothe your throat. For on-the-go relief, keep some natural throat lozenges handy. Look for options with soothing ingredients like honey, menthol, or herbal extracts that can help ease your sore throat and reduce coughing. Remember, these natural remedies are fantastic for temporary relief, but if your symptoms persist or worsen, it's essential to consult a healthcare professional. For occasional throat pain and cough, try these soothing remedies and take care of yourself.